Today the topic is anesthesia from NEET PG 2025 question paper. Patient administered sevoflurane and succinylchlorine for abdominal surgery and developed post-operative muscle rigidity. What is the drug of choice? Mitra, right?
D.
Next.
A.
Next.
N.
Next.
T.
Next. Next.
O.
Next.
L.
Next.
E.
Next.
N.
Next.
E.
Okay, it is dantrolene. Second question, a patient was administered a muscle relaxant, subsequently developed arrhythmia, facial flushing and hypertension. Name the drug responsible for the symptoms. Mitra, right? Mitra. What is the drug name? Right.
A.
L day.
A.
Next.
T.
Next.
R.
Next.
A.
Next. Next.
C.
Next.
U.
Next.
R.
Next.
I.
Next.
U.
Next.
M.
Okay, it is atracurium. Thank you, Mitra.